here's the marble maze I made for my grandson for his birthday using my Glowforge and a file that Glowforge gives to premium members. And there's a little marble right down in here. And here's the crank. And you turn it, see if I can do this one-handed and film at the same time. So you turn it, obviously it'd work better when I have both hands. But you turn it and the marble comes up to the top. And see, it's coming. And it comes out, and it falls out and rolls down and falls back into the hole like that, and it's ready to go again. See if I can try that one more time. Let's see if I got a better angle here. Oopsie, it's kind of tippy when you don't have a handle on both of it, but here it comes. Let's turn it a little bit. There it comes. And it comes around the corner and ends up back down there ready to come out. What fun, huh? I'm hoping he likes it.